Hi, my car is having noise when I run at about 80 kilometers an hour and above. And this car is 2014 Ford Escape. There's some noise on the driver side front wheel, but I didn't know until the mechanic told me that it's the bearing in front, driver side wheel. So we tested last night. I let him drive, and he said it's a bearing. I thought it's the engine or transmission, but he said it's a bearing. But anyway, I will run the car and I will let you hear the sound. It's kind of, wiggling sound, boom 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 boom, like that. It's really, it's not good to hear when you don't know what's going on, what's wrong with the car. But anyway, I will let you hear it. Okay. See, you started hearing it like whoa, 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 and it's only about 35 kilometers an hour. But we're going to the highway, and we'll run a little bit faster. And okay. There's a car. Okay, now we're going more faster. See that? You hear that? See? Like that. It's really disturbing when you see it, and when you're running in the highway around 100 kilometers and you hear this one. See that? It looks like a helicopter. I'm about 90 kilometers per hour now. But when you're going to your right side, it's okay. But if you're going to your left, will hear the sound. Anyway. See that? Did you hear that? I thought for the first time that it was transmission, but found out last night that it was the wheel bearing. See, it looks like a helicopter, right? Like that. See, you hear that? Now, if your car have the same problem with this, the same noise, it might be the wheel bearing. See? But it's 90% it's a wheel bearing if you hear your car have a noise like this. It's only around not more than $300, I think, to fix it. That's for labor and materials, parts. See the sound? Hear the sound? I'm going to turn off the camera when we not in the highway. Okay, I'll just let the camera roll. See, hear that? Yeah, it's a very disturbing sound, man. You don't know what's in there until your mechanic will tell you. Okay, why did this guy stop? It's not supposed to. There's a turning lane. So just let the camera running because I cannot stop the car right now. See, you can still hear the sound. It's not normal. It's some kind of, you know. And this car is has only 75,000 kilometers in it. Well, I like the car anyway because I need it in snow time. It's good to run in snow. See the sound? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, it's not normal. Okay, I gotta turn off the camera now because I'm not in the highway anymore. So, see you next time. Bye bye.